Hey, what's up? What's up? So, have you ever got burned out? Have you ever had those days that you don't feel like it, or you had dizziness and you felt like shit and you got to the edge of burning out? Well, I know I have, and I will get to it in a minute. And I don't know if you saw or if maybe you missed the stories that I posted on Saturday, where I went with my friends to kind of a late celebration for my birthday, my 30th birthday. And at that day, I knew that that was a day that a full day I won't touch a thing. I won't talk with people. I won't have the time to plan. I don't have the time. I knew that I'm putting aside everything and going for a full day of kind of doing fun and whatever. And I was debating with myself if to go there or not because, and don't get me wrong, you gotta say no sometimes. You gotta say no to say yes to yourself. But, and that is very important, you got to take some time to recharge. And that is why I said yes, okay, let's fucking do this. Let's go have fun for a full day. I'm putting everything aside for that day. And again, don't you get me wrong. You got to say no for time to time. Otherwise, when you say yes to everyone and you kind of become a people pleaser, and I see people coming in, hello everybody. So when you become a people pleaser, and hey, point taker, I've been that people pleaser, a huge one. And we don't get to it today like very deeply. But what I want to get is, yeah, we got to take recharge. And I got to the edge of burning out. I got to the edge that I felt dizziness, I felt chest pains, I felt like I don't want to do anything. I felt tired all the time, and I was kind of struck down for a month. Over a month. I just laid on the bed and I didn't have even the power to do anything. And I really was on the edge of burning out. And I said to myself, whoa, hey, you want to keep that? You want to keep on that edge? Because then I will have more time to heal, and it will take me much longer to reach what I want to if I will focus just on healing and not on doing things. And I said to myself, okay, how can I still progress and get that recharge? So I decided to take one time a week where I focus on my family, on planning all the week ahead or a month ahead, that depends on the day, and getting some time for friends and maybe some time for game time, because I love to play on PlayStation. Guilty as charged. But that doesn't mean that I'm going to do every day those things, because if I will do every day and I say yes to everyone and yes to everything and please everyone, and don't please get the pleasure kind of myself, kind of say yes to myself and don't show love to myself, I won't get ahead. But if I will keep on like grinding and grinding, think about it, when you grind your teeth and grind your teeth and grind your teeth, the teeth will fall apart at the end. And then the cost of actually repair them will cost you much more than if you keep on giving it rest from time to time. So yeah, you got to charge, you got to recharge, but keep on putting on. Keep on growing, keep on going, keep on going, keep on growing. That's what I love to say. So, what is the thing that you are going to recharge? Kind of decide like one time, if it's a week or maybe a bit of a day, that this is the time frame for you, and you are going to put that time for yourself no matter what. No one disturb you. If it's time for family, if it's time for friends, if it's time for TV, if it's time for PlayStation, if it's time, whatever it is that you love to do that makes you feel good and recharge you. Just one thing. Maybe two. No more than that. Think about it as a diet, because that's how I reframe it to myself when I decide, hey, if I don't want to burn out completely, it's time to do it. When I treat it like a diet, okay? Because I've been a huge dude. I've been overweight. And when we are dieting, we are kind of lower the budget for food, right? Like the calories, if you will. And in that place, but you still got to give yourself something sweet, something nice during that time that you won't crack. Because I have those days when I like do the diet, like strict, like month, 2, 3, half a year, like full ahead. Nothing disturbed me, nothing, no sweetness at all, nothing sweet. And then after that, I break down, like binging on food like crazy, eating donuts, eating pizzas, eating everything like a maniac. And then I gain weight. Smarty, huh? That's how it is when we don't let ourselves something sweet, something for ourselves, the time for ourselves. So let's say on diet, yeah, you can eat a piece of chocolate, but if you feel like eating the whole kind of package of chocolate, you will gain weight, right? So if you decide the time frame, let's say 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 50 minutes for a family, for friends, for a show, for whatever it is that you want to do, you decide that time frame and you put it to yourself. You will feel recharged. You feel like you're not grinding, like you're playing also. Then you got it full ahead. Then you can progress and not fall down to burnout, because believe me, you don't want to be there. Because after that month, it took me 3 more months to get it right, to get my system right, to not feel dizziness, to not feel sleepy all the time, to not feel like I don't feel like doing anything. And really, if you don't want to burn out, or if you have burnout and you don't want to get to that, that's the way to go. Treat it as a diet. If you ever done diet, if not, just do one thing that you decide to put for yourself. So comment below, what is the thing that you're going to give to yourself? What is the thing that will take you recharge, if you will, to get on going, to give that batteries, to give that life to yourself? So what is it? Comment below. Let's rise up all together, because this is 2020, almost 2020 is here. Let's not get that burnout. Let's get recharged every time. So what is the thing that you are going to recharge? I would love to hear about it, so comment below. And if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, that I know that you want more content of it. And if you're watching on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to never miss out an episode. And have an amazing and productive day. I will see you next time. Have a great one.